Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2024 Tesla Model X, a holdover but still a fantastic option for anyone looking for a spacious, luxurious, and high-performance electric SUV. Power and performance. The 2024 Model X isn't messing around when it comes to power. You get two choices. The long range with a dual-motor setup boasting 670 horsepower and a crazy 335 miles of range. Or, if you're feeling the need for some serious speed, the plaid model with 3 electric motors puts out a whopping 1020 horsepower and can travel 326 miles on a single charge. That's enough to launch you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-blowing time. Mention specific 0 to 60 mph time for each model. Falcon wing doors and interior. Let's talk about what makes the Model X truly unique, those iconic Falcon wing doors. These aren't your average car doors. They open vertically, making it super easy to get in and out, especially in tight parking spots. Once you're inside, the Model X offers a spacious and comfortable interior with enough room for up to 7 passengers. There's a massive panoramic glass roof that fills the cabin with light and gives it a really airy feel. Tesla's known for its minimalist design, and the Model X is no exception. The interior is clean and sleek, with most functions controlled through the large center touchscreen. Pricing and wrap-up. The 2024 Tesla Model X starts at $81,630 for the long range and goes up to $96,630 for the plaid. So, there you have it, the 2024 Tesla Model X. It might be a holdover model, but it still offers a ton of innovation, luxury, and performance. If you're looking for an electric SUV that makes a statement, the Model X is definitely worth considering. What do you guys think of the 2024 Model X? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more electric car content.